We have 2017 Diamond Kings Baseball. I'm going to jump right in. Good luck, guys. As always, all cards do ship. After baseball, we'll jump into limited basketball. And then some select 2013. Appreciate the payments. Everybody was in on time for baseball. Thank you very much. I think we're only waiting on one in basketball. We can get that cleaned up. Be ready to go right into limited once we are done with Diamond King. Alright, good luck, guys. Alright, right off the gate. Healy out of 49 going out to Oakland. Rookie signatures. Got the dual jersey autograph. I don't know if that's jersey. It might be sock or something that's a little bit thicker. 21 of 49 going out to Oakland. Very nice. Game used material. I want to say I will, Benjamin. I'm not sure for sure. I want to say Memphis, but I will double check. It is a 6-box half case of limited. Alright, filler. Moose. The gray border. Swanson rookie card. Grove Alexander. Honorable, memorable moments. DiMaggio. Puckett. Goldschmidt. Chris Bryant. Duel. There you go. Going out to Chicago. Chris Bryant duel. Game used material. Very nice. There you go, Chicago. Alright, Bill Dickey. We have Aurora. Goldschmidt. Very nice. Myers Harper. And rookie card. Alright, Nathan picked up the Kings. How is it going, Nathan? Glad to see you again. Piscotty base. Carl. Gray border. Ruiz rookie card. Jackie Robinson. God, got this stuff going everywhere. Bunning Heritage. Variation Story. Lefty Gomez. I forgot to do my finger stretches. Mike Trout. Gonzalez rookie. Carlos going out to San Diego. Mitch Manny Machado Originals. Pesky and Harry. Wilson. Jenkins. Filler card. Pollock, Healy, Pinder rookies. Aurora Max Scherzer. McCutchen and Ted Williams. Alright, sounds good, Nathan. Well, good luck. It's a fresh case. Should hit something nice in there. Daniel Murphy, number to 99, artist proof. Going out to Washington. Kipnis, Jake rookie, Carson Fulmer. Daniel Murphy originals, Hamels and Walker. Arenado, Evan Longoria, gray border. Alkaline, Heritage Collection, Bill Dickey and Vato. Will Myers, Henrik Marquez rookie. Going out to the Rockies. Ernie Banks. Nice 20/25 Kirby Puckett for Minnesota Heritage Collection. 20/25. Longoria and Knapp. Ernie Banks, filler card. Polanco, Gonzalez rookie. Carson Kelly, Memorable Moments, Ty Cobb. Brooks Robinson, Anthony Rizzo. Max Carey, Mike Trout. This gray border for the Angels. Gavin rookie, Kirby Puckett. Verlander, Aurora. Honus Wagner, Christian Yelich. Last pack for box 1. Carson Fulmer rookie. Roberto Clemente. That's numbered to 49. Very nice. 18/49. Going out to the Pirates. Jose Altuve Originals. Fox and Beltre base. Okay, guys, box number 2. Bat Kings, Rod. Look at that. Carew out of 25. 11/25, California. Game used material. Very nice. That's a little bat piece. There you go. Thompson, Jackie Robinson. Originals, Freddie Freeman, Davis, and Babe Ruth, DiMaggio, Matt Olson rookie, Hernandez, Nolan Ryan Heritage Collection, Daniel Murphy, and John McGraw. Jose Altuve, gray border. Mendez, Pee Wee Reese. Memorable Moments, Kirby Puckett. Carl and Arenado base. Harper, Carpenter, Tapia, Polino rookies. Brian Dozier, Aurora. Going out to Minnesota. Dobie number to 99, Artist Proof for the Indians. Hendricks, Josh Bell rookie. Wilson. Originals, Chris Bryant. Henrik and Andy base. Robinson, Braun, Chris Sale. Gray border, Ruiz, Healy rookies. Originals, Tony Gwynn, Tony and Kurt Schilling base. Pinder rookie. Kirby Puckett. 21/25, Ryan Sandberg for Chicago. Nice originals. 21/25. Going out to the Cubs. Trumbo, George Kelly base. Walker for a card. Nelson Cruz, Mejia, Alfaro rookies. Heritage Collection, George Brett. Ted and Don Mattingly base card. Vato Longoria. Harry, gray border. Musial, Aurora Mookie Betts, going out to the Red Sox. Moose and Carl base. Brooks, Strasburg, David Dahl rookie. Corey Seager, got the red number to 99, going out to LA. Corey Originals, Verlander, and your base. Rizzo, Wagner, Austin Meadows, number to 299. Pittsburgh Signatures, dual jersey auto, going out to the Pirates. Very nice. Pirates on the board. Glasnow rookie. Dickey Ken Griffey Jr. Heritage. Bumgarner and Ty Cobb. Last pack for box number 2. Ulich Fox. Filler. Craig Biggio. Bridge Dozier. Memorable Moments. Jim Bottomley. Chipper Jones and Freddie Freeman. Okay. Third box, guys. Good luck. Filler card. JD Martinez. Rondon rookie. Tony Perez Heritage Collection. Henrik Andy base. Robinson Braun. Jeff Hoffman. Colorado. Rookie card. Gray border. Jacoby Jones. Jose Altuve. Aurora, another Mookie Betts. Banks and Pujols. Hamels, Polanco, Lopez rookie. Goose Goslin, red number to 99. Originals, Tony Gwynn. Max Carey, Carlos Martinez. Walker, David Dahl for the Rockies to 299. Rockies snagging rookie signatures, dual jersey auto. There you go, Rockies. Very nice hit. Aaron Judge rookie card going out to New York. Corey Seager, William McCovey Heritage Collection, Earl and Biggio base. Robinson, Matt Carpenter. Game used material going out to the Cardinals. There you go, St. Louis. Dual jersey. Game used. Very nice. Moncada rookie. Josh Donaldson. Corey Kershaw and Kirby Puckett base. Rizzo, Wagner, Chris Sale. Mancini, Nunez rookies, Bob Feller Heritage Collection, Goldschmidt, and Alexander. I don't know, Spencer's, if it's for sure, but let me check, and I'll let you guys know. Just a few packs here, and I will double check on those. Hack Wilson gray border, Musgrove Benintendi rookie. Memorable moments, Grove Alexander, Chris Bryant, and Herb. Ulich Fox, AJ Pollock, gray border. Weaver rookie, Yoan Moncada, nice rookie going out to Chicago. Honus Wagner, memorable moments. Mike Trout, base card. Beltre Bottomley, filler. Gonzalez, Renfroe, Hoffman rookies, Aurora, Brian Dozier. Going out to the Twins, Piscotty, and Wilson base cards. DiMaggio, Pollock, Alex Bregman rookie card. Dansby Swanson, rookie for the Braves. Freddie Freeman originals. Jenkins and Mookie Betts. Herman and Lindor. Nap Gray border. Glover Patterson, Aurora, Miggy Cabrera. Going out to the Tigers. Carl and Arenado. Last pack for baseball. Joe Jackson, Goslin, Kipnis, Cotton, rookie card, Anthony Rizzo, Yount, Leo, and Will Myers base. Alright guys, thanks for jumping into 2017 Diamond Kings. We should have another one just like that sometime this week. Thank you very much. Next